So you're thinking about selling your short-term rental property? As a full-time realtor that has successfully implemented some great systems when selling my clients short-term rentals, I've got some tips to help you maximize your chances of success. Let's dive in. 1. Presentation is key. Make your property is clean, well-staged, and in excellent condition. Showcase its unique features and emphasize its potential as a vacation rental property. Number 2. Highlight income potential. Compile a record of your rental income and occupancy rates. This information will help potential buyers understand the property's earning potential. It's a significant selling point for investors looking for lucrative opportunities. Number 3, provide a turnkey experience. Offer buyers a turnkey experience by including any furnishings, appliances, or amenities associated with the property. Presenting it as a fully operational rental will appeal to buyers who want to hit the ground running. Number 4, market to your target audience. Leverage online platforms and social media to reach your target audience. Highlight the property's proximity to popular attractions, nearby amenities, and unique features. This way, you'll attract interested buyers actively searching for a short-term rental in your area. And number 4, the most important, hire a realtor that has sold multiple short-term rentals successfully. A realtor that has experience selling a vacation rental is going to know how to market it, how to get buyers in to see it without having to give up the bookings, and usually has a wide national network of those looking to purchase a vacation rental. They are organized and have a system in place to make sure to get the most amount of buyers in to see it when it is available, and they also have creative ways to provide a potential buyer a showing experience when it's not available. Selling your short-term rental property doesn't have to be daunting. If you follow these strategies and hire a realtor with experience in selling short-term rentals, I'm confident you will find the right buyer. I would love to chat with you if you are thinking of selling your short-term rental as well. Ashley Berardi with RE/MAX Fine Properties.